So here we are with this beautiful Ford Bronco outer banks, and we have these floor mats that we're gonna install in it. Let's open this up. Let's see what we got. Wow, it comes a full package here. Let's take a look. Expose them to the sun for 1 to 2 hours, so it fit perfectly, but we'll see how that is. A lot of pieces here. So here it is. I mean, not in perfect order. This is the front, the second row bottom. This is for the back part of the second row. This is for the cargo area. And these we'll have to figure out exactly where they go. Let's see here. So the back is easy. The front, the seat clip. There's the car. And this is our layout. We're gonna start probably in the front. Let's see what we got here. Are they too different? Let's see. Well, you can tell the quality is much better. This is stronger. This is a little floppy. The only difference is this one says Bronco, this one doesn't. Do you mind? So this is the driver. This is even much bigger, but it should fit. Yeah, that's a lot more coverage. Let's see the other side. Same thing, a little softer material. This actually covers a bigger area. Like perfect fit everywhere. You can see around, even here. This is actually in 2 parts, and I think this is better because nothing goes in between the gap there. Oh no, I think it's, let's see. This is a much better fit, because while not having a gap here, nothing goes in between. And they say to keep it on the sun for a couple hours to make the material a little softer. It'll fit better. Let's go back here. It's open right there. So in the back we have these, but no protection for the back seat. Yeah, and again, it's still a little bended. Well, it came in the box, but it's gonna find its way in. So now, you wanna start putting the other one on the other side? So this goes on the top with the handle, so you can attach it to the headrest. It has a Velcro strip, so it stays put. And again, we have the same thing here. We just wrap this around. Another piece goes in here in between. And these go into the hook, so it stays put. Does it have a side? Oh no, it says up. Yeah, it does. There you go.
This one goes here. I'm not sure what this one is for.
So this one is there now. Oh yeah. And these look to be for the doors. You can see how this is already a little worn out, so we're gonna put that there. You like it like that?
Yeah, that's cool.
This one goes here, right there. So this is the last piece of the set. We weren't sure where it goes because it's kind of hidden here. And it's for this little cargo area. So now the whole set is complete. So now we have the door seals covered, the back, and we have a beautiful Bronco.
Thank you.
Enjoy!